This is my office portal now. Now you could create a new Excel file. Once it is created, you click on insert. You have to insert a new form and click on a new form. It's opening up a new form now. Now, once you create a new form, you could name it tests. Now, I will just be adding some questions here or some details they have to fill. Currently, I have name. I'll be adding my options for name. Okay, I could also have an option for gender. Okay, let's just say all. Now, and once I'm done with this, then you could say preview. Now, what you have to do is fill in the details. If I say gift, and then I say a man, and I submit. Once you come back to your Excel form which you created earlier, you will notice that it has dropped right here. You could see the details by name and the gender. Then we could try another form by submitting another response as a gift. And I could say female, a woman rather. Then once I submit that, you will notice that another response gift made and woman. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.